What's up guys, for the video? It's me, Enzo, and
There.
today we're gonna be unboxing set special Indomaret. Whatever's yours. Here we go. So we're gonna unbox 4 in this video, and hopefully we get the best. Let's go. Alright, let's go. I'll start with unboxing with starting Totodile. Oh, Theo, you wanna go first? Okay, let us overview this first. So we got Totodile over here with the amazing promo over there. We got Totodile swimming in the lake with Paradoks Andalan over there. 2 booster packs, and behind here we got some many things like the the picture and also the promo cards that you can get. So there are 3. I got Litten and also Totodile only, but sadly we did not get Pikachu because it was too rare. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. Hopefully there's none of them reseal or anything, but okay, let's start with Totodile as our opening Pokemon for the day. Okay, we got 2 booster packs, 1 Totodile promo card right over here, and now let us start unboxing in today's opening. Okay, let's go. So go delete this one, go 1 to the front, and let us go for Metagross, Sizzlipede, Medicham, Raichu, and oh! That is a holo rare, and Brambleghast. Brambleghast, not bad, not bad. Okay, Theo. Oh wait, my turn. I forgot. So next pack. Now each of these costs 40,000 rupiah, and I'm hoping for the best. Let's go next pack.
Oh, I see something.
Mudstail, Slugma, Charjabug, Giraffrig, and oh, nothing. Swashbuck.
My turn?
Yeah, your turn.
Pack. Oh. Alright. First pack. We'll get a little one for you. Open it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep it. 1 to the front. So first we got Baton Barrage. Okay. Then we got Seedot. What's the name again?
Roly-Poly, Wiglet, and Shaman. Oh, not bad, Shaman.
No! So sad. Alright. Open my next pack.
Just continue.
Alright. Yes! Open it. The front. Lock.
What?
It's Keldeo.
I see kind of something way back there.
Shumish. Midsham.
Arbok.
And
Ooh, that's a very good card. That's a very good card.
I think that's the worst one.
It's okay. That Puffin is like 50,000, so ew. Okay, so let's onward next to another Litten, because well, we need another Litten. Okay, so far we have not gotten anything unlike an holo rare, but we got another Litten promo. And now let us see what can we get from these 2 booster packs. I'm hoping for just an EX. An EX would be nice, and anything would be nice. Oh, good condition. Okay, let's start with an Electivire, Golett, Seedot, Wiglet, and Area. Not bad. Okay. Final pack for Litten. Litten.
Lit.
Okay. Okay, we go. Rimba Berbahaya. Okay, let's go. So we started out with Permintaan, Pineco, Carvanha, Dunsparce, and Delmice. There's no luck?
Litten is unlucky.
Litten is unlucky.
Because
Okay, come on guys.
it's a pack.
Okay, last one.
Thirsty, got split.
Last one.
How is it red?
There's no way that we're not getting anything today, guys.
Thirsty, got split.
Okay, got Totodile. Okay, let's go. Just start it off. Start it.
Red is rare. Unlucky.
Okay, let's go. Pemacu energi futur. Raichu, Galor, Frostmoth, and Iron Shreds. Whoa. Last pack magic. Don't tell me all of them have no hits.
Unlucky.
What? Okay. Rapska.
Kurma.
I don't know. Nuzleaf, Heatmore,
Red monkey.
Snom, and Iron Leaves. Well, that was kind of late. Iron Leaves EX. Yeah, that's the only hit I think. We only got that. And also the promos. Yeah, we only get Iron Leaves EX. That's pretty sad for like three of these. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, also subscribe down below, check out the videos, comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.